Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I will be doing a lash review from Belle. I was sent these lashes. Haven't taken them out the pack yet. I wanted to do it on camera for you guys. I forgot the most important detail about these lashes. They are magnetic lashes. I've never tried magnetic lashes before. So this is going to be very interesting. Make sure you all keep watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe at the end of this video. And let's get into it. Bye, guys. Okay, guys. So the packaging says... Ooh, why is my lash looking like this? The packaging says, wake up and makeup. So it's okay because I'm going to take these lashes off anyway, I guess. Let's take it out. I feel like this is going to be so difficult. I have opened it already, you guys, but I put it back in as the best I could so it can look like I opened it on camera. But they're magnetic lashes. I've never tried magnetic lashes before. Ooh, let me focus. Never tried magnetic lashes before, so this should be fun. It comes with instructions on how to do it. I don't know if I'm gonna follow them. I'm probably gonna do it myself because that's the kind of person I am. But and it also comes with a lash applicator. I've never used one of these before, but we'll see how it works. So when I opened it, like a few of the lashes moved because they're attracted to the other lash because they're magnets, of course. But it does have a little mirror, and it tells you like this is your left, this is your right, and it tells you which bottom lash. From my understanding, they'll probably clip on each other, like clip onto your real lashes and clip to each other. So some of these like kind of moved. It tells you this goes to your bottom left, this goes to the middle, bottom right, bottom left. So it tells you all of that. It's a nice little mirror there. You can see my setup. So these are a little thinner than my usual lashes, but let's see how they're going to look. So I need the bottom left. That's it. So you can kind of see the magnets on there. Ignore those sirens, but you can kind of see the magnets on there. So I guess I place this on top of my lash line. Ooh. This is really hard. I'm not gonna lie. This is pretty hard. I don't know if it's the fact my nails are this long, but this is pretty hard in my opinion. Let me see. Hold top lash position. Leave it without blinking. Place bottom lash and send volume. So that's basically what I was doing. It's going to be very easy to lose these little pieces at the bottom. So I don't really know how I feel about these yet. Let me try to get them on. If I was gluing these, they'd be on by now. So let's see. Oh wait, let me not make those noises. Okay. Let me find it. So I got the little piece. I'm just way better at working with my hands than tweezers most of the time. Okay, which way should it be? I guess it should be this way. Oh. Okay, this piece is just in my eye. Okay, that's not right. I think it's going the opposite way. Okay, You know what? I think magnetic lashes would go better if the top and bottom were stripped like this. Not these little pieces. This is really difficult. I don't really trust a magnet to hold my lashes on, to be honest. Not this kind of magnet. Because I live in Kentucky right now, and it's pretty windy sometimes, and that wind can take off a lash so easily. I don't trust a magnet. Guys, no. Yeah, I don't think magnetic lashes are for me. Or maybe, I think it's a good idea, but I feel like it's a lot of improvements that can be made to it. For one, I didn't like the style very much. Like I told you all, I ordered the dramatic, they sent me the dramatic pair, and there was nothing dramatic about that. I think if they make both strips, the top and bottom strip, be very long instead of having to put a little piece here, a little piece here, and a little piece there. I think that will make it a lot easier to use, because magnetic lashes just seem to make it very hard. I guess if you're allergic to lash glue, it may have latex in it, I'm not sure, but I know a lot of people are allergic to latex. So if you're allergic to latex, then maybe magnetic lashes should be your go-to, but they won't be mine. Just, I'll put the link in the description box if you're interested in buying these lashes for $22. But maybe it was me. It really could have been me and my nails. If you don't wear like long nails, then maybe magnetic lashes could be very beneficial to you. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day, you guys. Bye.